Hey there! If you think you know everything about the carnivore diet, think again. Today we're uncovering the top 10 hidden benefits of this lifestyle that could transform the way you think about health. And if you have been a carnivore and want to help convince a few of the carnivore-curious people to give it a try, share in the comments how carnivore has benefited you personally. We'll start with the basics, those benefits everyone knows about. But stick around because the bulk of this video will dive deep into the 10 powerful advantages that even most carnivores don't think about. You'll learn what these benefits are, why they matter, and exactly how they can improve your life. Let's kick off with some of the commonly known benefits of the carnivore diet. Number 1, it reduces inflammation by cutting out processed foods, sugars, and seed oils. Number 2, it balances blood sugar and insulin levels, giving you steady energy all day long. Number 3, it's incredibly satiating, so you naturally eat less and lose weight without even trying. And number 4, it eliminates digestive irritants like gluten, grains, and lectins, improving gut health. These are the reasons many people turn to carnivore. But as great as these are, they're just the tip of the iceberg. Now let's explore the hidden benefits, the ones that take this diet from great to truly life-changing. Number 1, provides saturated fat that reduces inflammation and decreases stroke risk. Saturated fat has gotten a bad rap, but it's actually crucial for reducing inflammation. Unlike polyunsaturated fats, which can oxidize and cause damage, saturated fats are stable and support the health of your cells. Studies even show that diets high in saturated fat are linked to lower stroke risk, as reported by the American Journal of the College of Cardiology. So focusing on foods like beef, butter, bacon, and eggs, the carnivore diet provides the ideal balance to support overall inflammation reduction. Number 2, stabilizes neurotransmitters, which are key to mental health. Did you know that your brain depends on fat to function? Saturated fats provide the building blocks for neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are critical for mood and mental health. Dr. Chris Palmer, Dr. Georgia Ede, and the team at the Metabolic Mind highlights how ketogenic diets and carnivore diets are helping people with anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, and so many more. This diet literally feeds the brain what it needs to thrive. Number 3, supports reduced prostaglandin production, which is a game changer for arthritis. Why is it a game changer? Because prostaglandins are compounds in your body that contribute to inflammation and pain, especially in conditions like arthritis. By reducing prostaglandin production, a carnivore diet can help manage chronic pain and improve joint health. So if you or someone you know struggles with arthritis, this could be a life-changing diet. Trust me, I have a ton of patient testimonials who have seen the benefits of carnivore on their arthritis, and I think it'll benefit you as well. Number 4, it minimizes gut fermentation. Say goodbye to gas and bloating. This one is personal for me. As a former vegetarian, I suffer from severe gas and bloating caused by gut fermentation. Basically, bacteria in your gut feeding on carbs and fiber. The carnivore diet eliminates fermentable fibers and carbohydrates, dramatically reducing gas, bloating, and other symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. It's been a game changer for me, and I know it'll be a game changer for you. Number 5, eliminates foods that trigger autoimmune responses. Autoimmune diseases occur when your immune system attacks your own body. Foods like gluten, lectins, and seed oils can trigger these responses. By removing these culprits, the carnivore diet can be incredibly effective for managing autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Number 6, decreases lipopolysaccharide translocation from the gut. This may be a term that's not familiar to you, but these are toxins that are released by certain gut bacteria that can enter your bloodstream and cause systemic inflammation. The carnivore diet reduces the presence of these harmful bacteria in your gut, minimizing lipopolysaccharide translocation and lowering overall inflammation. Number 7, balances hormones by providing cholesterol. Cholesterol isn't the villain you've been told it is. It's actually the precursor to all your steroid hormones, including estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol. Without enough cholesterol, your body can't produce these vital hormones. By eating nutrient-rich animal foods, the carnivore diet gives your body the cholesterol it needs to balance hormones and improve overall health. And I can't understate the importance this is for your sexual health. Number 8, supports mitochondrial health. the powerhouse of our cells. Mitochondria are the energy factories of your cells, and they work best when fueled by ketones, not sugar. The carnivore diet supports mitochondrial function by providing a steady supply of ketones, which are more efficient and less inflammatory than glucose. This translates to more energy, better brain function, and improved cellular health. Number 9, promotes autophagy, your body's natural cleanup crew. Autophagy is the process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This is critical for preventing chronic disease and aging gracefully. The carnivore diet, particularly when combined with intermittent fasting, stimulates autophagy, helping your body repair itself from inside out. And finally, number 10, reduces cytokine production, allowing you to fight inflammation at the source. Cytokines are signaling proteins that play a major role in inflammation. While they're necessary in small amounts, overproduction can lead to chronic inflammation and disease. By reducing inflammatory triggers, the carnivore diet lowers cytokine production, tackling inflammation at its root. So there you have it, the top 10 hidden benefits of the carnivore diet. From reducing inflammation to boosting mental health, balancing hormones, and supporting your body's natural repair systems. This way of eating is so much more than just eating meat. Now it's your turn. What benefits have you experienced on carnivore? Or what are you hoping to see? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Together, we can spread the message about the power of real food and the benefits of eating an ancestrally appropriate diet like carnivore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.